warning. Things have already started. Noisy out there. Lots of rainfall and kind of just the beginning. We're tracking all this.
That's right. At least here for Tulsa, and we have things really seen things calm down a little bit. Now, what's interesting is areas along and south of I-40. That's where we're really going to be paying attention to this morning. So if you are in Tulsa, especially towards the north, Osage County, you seem to be good to go. Just some light rain. We're already seeing that over on a few of our cameras. This is all part of Wade's RV Weather Camera Network. Like I mentioned, what we're watching, the biggest activity is going to be along and south of I-40, where we do have an active tornado warning that's currently not in our viewing area, but very, very close. That's what we're going to be monitoring right now. They did go ahead and extend the severe thunderstorm warning, though, and that is going to include portions over there in Henrietta. So that means we are looking at a very strong wind gust. We already got one reported of 87 miles per hour. I mean, the squall lines continuing to produce quite a bit of some wind gusts out in those locations. So zooming in just a little bit, this is going to go until 6:30 in the morning as this went ahead and extended. What we're going to be watching, though, is that tornado warning that is currently in place, because we're still seeing some circulation going on over towards Calvin at this time. That's something we're going to continue to monitor. This did continue all the way further towards the west, and they've gone ahead and just continued to extend that. So we're going to be watching not only portions of Pittsburgh County, but we're going to continue to see that moving a little bit more towards the northeast. That's why we still have that slight risk in hand as we go towards this afternoon, or really early this morning into very early afternoon. We should start to get that break for our eastern counties. That's the good news there. So it's not going to be an all-day event, but highest threat is going to continue to remain further towards our southern counties, especially along the Red River. But our locations here, that's just in that 5%. We've already been seeing some of those tornado warnings. That's why we do have that tornado watch, which was just extended further towards the north to include their Muskogee. This is going to go until 11 a.m. But doesn't mean if you're in this location, it's going to be until 11. We'll probably start to see some of these get canceled as we go from west to east as this line continues to push further towards the area. So let's just really time this out. You can see we're still looking at widespread showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be strong to severe, which we've already started to see some of that. But as this continues to move further towards the east, we are going to be eventually mostly dry. We're going to get a little bit of a break by 9 o'clock. Maybe a few of us far to the west will start to see some sunshine returning. We'll start to see peaks of sunshine there. But unfortunately, most of the day just looks cloudy. It's not until the back end of that where we start to see another round of some scattered showers and storms, along with very gusty northwesterly winds. So that'll be interesting to watch as well, with a chance of some wintry mix. So that'll be interesting. Of course, it's Oklahoma. Can't rule it all out. Now, with those northwest winds, that's going to impact Wednesday in terms of not only wind gust, but also some chillier conditions. So that wind advisory is in place. We can expect westerly winds 20 to 30 miles per hour, but wind gust upwards of 45. But that's not to say we could see those even extending higher, upwards of 50 in some locations. So that's going to go from 12 p.m. Tuesday to 12 p.m. on Wednesday. Now, Wednesday temperatures will struggle. We're just looking at those lower 50s. Overnight, that's where those temperatures drop below freezing to about 30 degrees, with temperatures remaining in the 50s for your Thursday.